Hello friends, welcome to my channel Astrology. In this video we will see the astrological predictions on the fluctuations of prices of gold and silver in COMEX MCX during the period 17th August to 21st of August 2020. Before going forward, let me tell you that the basis of predictions made in this video is totally astrological. Nothing technical is involved. So before investing any amount in gold and silver, take proper consultation from your financial advisor and technical analyst. Many of you have inquired about my contact details in the comments of previous videos, so you can email me at astrotyagi@gmail.com and my WhatsApp number is 9911195522. You have to add the code for India +91. I repeat, this video is for only educational purpose. Do not invest on the basis of views expressed in this video. So in the past week, most of my predictions turned out to be fairly accurate, and I received many appreciating comments in this regard. So first let us see the fluctuations in the momentum of prices of gold in this week, and then we will move to silver. Let us start with first day of the week, although it has passed, but we should see the graph which was prepared for this day, although I could not upload the video in time. So here is the graph of 17th of August on your screen. Many of you have also requested me to upload full screen screenshots of the graphs, so you can play the video full screen. The graph will be very clear to you. There is one more thing I would like to make clear. In this graph and in all the graphs discussed in this video, the timing on the horizontal axis is Indian Standard Time. If you are outside India, take the help of Google to convert it into your local time zone, whether it is GMT, EDT or any other time zone. This is the graph of 17th of August, and the closing of this graph shows a rise in the prices of gold, and as we now know that the prices of gold went up towards the end of the day, that is end of the Indian evening. They went up after Indian evening. We will not pay much attention to this graph since the day has passed, although this graph turned out to be fairly accurate. Let us now move to the curve of 18th of August and let us see how would be the momentum in the fluctuation of prices of gold on this day. Here is the graph on your screen. This graph will easily tell you that for most of the day there will be only rise in prices. How much would the rise would be will depend on the resistance level of the gold on this day. If gold breaks one resistance level, then it will certainly move towards the next resistance level, as the trend on this day shows an upward momentum. However, the prices may stabilize or start to fall, that is, the growth may stop or they may even start to fall after or between 6 to 7 pm. You can see that the rise also stops after 6 pm, that is between 6 to 7 pm in this graph on your screen. So if with the graph of previous day, that is 17th of August, as you can see on screen, we can easily conclude that persons who bought gold on the previous day early in the morning, that is before the noon of Indian time, they can easily sell in higher prices on 18th of August as the prices would continue to increase. Now let us see what will be the mood of gold prices on 19th of August. Here on your screen is the graph. There may not be much rise and there can be fluctuations till 7 am morning, Indian morning on 19th of August. But after that, you can see in the graph that prices continue to rise for the whole of the day. So the probability of prices going down on this particular day is very less. There will be increase in prices, so one can easily conclude that people who bought gold on 17th of August can sell in big profit on 18th and 19th of August 2020. Now let us see the graph of 20th of August. Here on your screen you can see the graph. In this graph you can see many fluctuations, especially towards the end of the day, that is after evening in India. Between 11 am to 6 pm Indian time, you can see a downfall in the prices of gold. How much this downfall will be depends on how much the golds break the support level. If gold breaks one support level, then it will certainly move down towards the next support level. So the fall would depend on if the support level is broken or not. However, you can see that there is a rise in prices till 11 am. So till 11 am the prices may not fall much. After 6 pm Indian time, there can be separated events in rise and fall of prices. But as you can see that after 10 pm the prices fall to a good extent. So prices can fall after 10 pm on that particular day, that is on 20th of August 2020. Now let us see the fluctuation in the prices of gold on final working day of the week, that is 21st of August 2020. Here on your screen is the graph. You can see the graph of 21st of August 2020. In this graph you can see a fall after 7 pm till 12 noon Indian time, and after that there is a rise for a good amount of period. How much this rise would be depend on whether gold is able to break one resistance level or not. If one resistance level is broken, then gold will certainly move to the second resistance level and even maybe more. After 7 pm Indian time on this day, there can be a fall and again it will be followed by a rise. How much this fall and rise would depend on resistance and support levels of gold on that particular day. Before the morning, you can see that prices can see a small rise. Now let us move to the fluctuations in the prices of silver for 17th to 21st of August 2020. Now here on your screen is the graph of silver for 17th of August 2020. Although the day has passed and we will not pay much attention to this graph for this reason, but if you follow the market trend with this graph, you will observe that this trend matches with the market. Let us now move to the graph of silver for 18th of August 2020. Here on your screen you can see the graph of silver for 18 August 2020. This graph will easily tell you that the trend of silver on 18th of August is just like gold and it will increase for a substantial period of day. So people who bought silver on 17th of August can find very good opportunities to sell silver on this day. And now let us move to the next day, 19th of August, and here on your screen is the graph for that day. In this graph too there is a consistent rise, so silver prices would rise on this day. And if you remember that the graphs of gold on 18th and 19th of August also show increase and silver also shows increase on these 2 days. So these 2 days are very good for selling in case you bought gold or silver at lower prices. They can touch very good amount of levels. Now let us move to the graph of silver for 20th of August 2020. Here on your screen you can see the graph. On 20th of August 2020 you can see that just like gold, the graph of silver also shows a fall after 11 am Indian time and it falls till 6 pm Indian evening. After 6 pm there can be some fluctuations as you can see in the end of the graph. After 9 pm silver can see a downfall or a stop in rise of prices. However, from 7 am to 11 am there can be a small rise in price. How much this rise would depend on the contemporary resistance level of silver. Now let us move to the final day of the week, 21st of August. This is the graph on your screen. You can see on this day you can see in the graph that after 7 am till 12 noon the prices of silver can continue to fall or at least they would not rise. You can see in the graph also. But after 12 noon the prices of silver will pick up just like gold. and they would continue to rise till after 7 p.m. and only after that there can be some fluctuations in price, as you can see in the graph. So it will not be an exaggeration to conclude that silver and gold prices will move same way in this week. People who can find decent opportunities to buy silver or gold on 17th, 20th and 21st of August can sell them in profit upon finding proper chances in the market. So this was all about the prices of gold and silver for 17th to 21st of August 2020. People who have held gold for a long period of time, or at least from the time when it went down below $1,900 in COMEX MCX, can find very good opportunities to sell on 18th and 19th of this month. Even 21st of August, that is final day of the week, Friday, can provide them with a decent opportunity to sell gold or silver. That was all in this video, friends. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notifications of my latest videos as I upload them. Please recommend my channel Astro Tyagi and share my channel Astro Tyagi in your Facebook and WhatsApp groups. You can leave your feedback in comments or email me at astrotyagi or WhatsApp me at +91 9911195522. So friends, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Namaste friends.